My young life has passed, which makes me feel dreary. When in exile I am cast on the wilds of the prairie, I'm to watch the red man, the panther and the beaver, while my thoughts wander back to the banks of the Shannon. Andrew and dawn, and my absence make ready. By the light of the moon, go and call Master Freddy. Tell him to prepare and to be mighty clever, for it's the last day's coursing on the banks of Shannon. In England for years they spoke of Susanna, and young William, he would boast of Diana. The truth to you I'll tell, there was none of them I'd favour. I'd give her the swear on the banks of Shannon. From the shores of Lough Hanna to the plains of Glenbrook, and beneath the Russom my poor heart was taken. Winds of Mayfair at Ardeen, but the land that didn't favour, so it crossed o'er the hill to the banks of Shannon. The course it was rough, but a bruisey was London, and fierce every hound, the hunting it was splendid. The 2-year-old John was both knacky, good and clever, but the next sight I saw was a dancing Shannon Healer. The day then Victor died, my coursing days were over. I sat down and cried like a broken-hearted lover. We laid Victor in his grave and left him there forever, and paid my passage to New York from the banks of Shannon. Ireland, my love, I will think of you forever. There is no place in